some human hair from my good friends over there at VShow Hair. I absolutely love them, and y'all notice how I do human hair on this channel. Like, I gotta try a company like 3 or 4 times. If I like them, I add them to my rotation. I picked up 2 units from VShow Hair. I really like the fact that the last one I did, I'm not sure the order I'm uploading these, it's a straight unit. I put some footage right here. It was literally like a just throw on and go out the door. Like, I really enjoyed it, and I'm trying to remember if that's what I got here too. I don't remember, so just looking at the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as the details. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, I see color. It is, y'all, it's the same wig with color. So they are quickly becoming one of my favorites. Not only did they put the wig in here, they put a care card in the box, a band with their name on it or their initials on it, some HD stocking caps, some regular stocking caps, some eyelashes, and the units. Okay, this wig, sorry, my flat iron was on and burning. Okay, this wig is, I'm just reading off here, it's 20 inches long, it's kinky curly, and it's a beautiful blonde color, y'all. But it's just like that last one, and I can throw this on my head and just be out the damn door. I need to be a professional. Okay, I loved everything about all of the, y'all look at that color. Look at that color. That's gonna be so pretty. So the awesome thing about these wigs, y'all, when I say they are easy, there are no combs. It's nothing, and it's so comfortable because the cap is super stretchy, so it's gonna fit like a plethora of heads. You might be saying, yeah, and it's gonna slip off mine. Nope, that cap is stretchy, and even though you don't have combs, you have this band in it that's gonna make it lay super flush to your head. You get like a 4x4 parting space right up here at the top, and there's nothing to cut off. All you got to do is put on your foundation, your tint spray, throw this on your head. You're gonna be good to go. This is going to take me no time to do. All I'm gonna have to do is spray some water on this. I think it's water and conditioner in this bottle. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, y'all. This won't take long at all. I'll be right back. I love VShow hair, y'all. Every single one of these wigs, and like I said, this is like my fifth one from them with the same construction, just different texture, and I am in love with every single one of them. If you are really looking to invest in your wig arsenal, or invest in yourself with your time, I recommend that you go and check them out and get you a couple of these, and y'all, I promise you'll be good to go. You will be good to go as far as wigs. Throw on, go out the door. Nothing extra, no combs, no glue, no dyeing, no bleaching, none of that. This is just literally a throw on and go wig with great quality. Y'all know, like, Kinky Curly in my favorite pattern, but I cannot lie to you, this pattern is absolutely gorgeous. All I did was put some water and conditioner on it, just to loosen up those curls a little bit, and this is what we got. This is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, no shedding, no tangling, but it's straight out of the pack, okay? Can I recommend this one? Yes. And that is every unit that we've gotten from VShow here. I can definitely recommend. Check out that description box, y'all. And look at that color. Look at the color that they did throughout. Absolutely gorgeous. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.